swift, straight, and direct. If you are a Ghanaian landlord or a Ghanaian landlady, before you rent out your apartment, your house, wherever it is, your stores, wherever it is, to any Nigerian, do a background check, please. Please, kindly do a background check. If the person is an Igbo man, double your background check. Please do that, because the bad nuts among them are too many these days, especially the Igbo people. The Igbo people, please, if you're renting your house to them, put a stop to it. If you're a Ghanaian right now as I speak, don't rent your house to any Igbo person in Ghana. Why am I saying so? They have a hidden agenda. They have an agenda that will not end well.
We know the Igbos are very creative, and like you said, when it comes to culture, you tell your own story. We are absorbing a lot of Igbo words into our own language here in Ghana. So when somebody sees a big man, says,
Yeah, good morning, my people. My name is Brother Paul Ochibo. The video we just watched, our brother from Ghana had expressed his bitterness. He poured out his heart. I want to tell you something, my good friend. You know, we know the people that are pushing these narratives. You know, the tribal bigots in Nigeria, how they want to indict all the Igbos. You know, in Nigeria, when an Igbo person, you know, gets an award, honorable award, achieves a success, they will say a Nigerian, you know, did this, a Nigerian did that. But when somebody commits crime and they're from Igbo race, they will say an Igbo person did this. You know, it happened in Dubai and so many other places. Igbos are contributing a lot in Ghana. I must beat my chest to tell you this. Go and ask your government the contribution of Igbos in your economy. In the history of Nigeria, go and check all the presidents and the politicians that looted public funds. Go and check all of them. You will not see, you know, major Igbo leaders there. Only very few. Go and check after the Civil War. All the presidents that looted Nigerian fund, you know,